this off. Start disconnecting these. So in here, you have those. I'm gonna have that one, that one, and that one. This one, you're gonna have to take out so we can actually pull the manifold out. Then we just take this bracket out, and now we can actually slide this out. T30 on these, 8 mil. But yeah, once you get these out of the way, you can get the rails out of the way. Finish disconnecting this. You take this in. This, you squeeze, pull. Oh, drop it. Alright, now it's out. Now you can see all the mess in here. So, just made sure to keep the water from going into the main ports.
Insights and support available at AmazonBusiness.com.